I've opened this box, but I haven't opened and looked through the contents yet. And what I have, I'm really excited about this, is the SW Motech soft panniers and the racking to go on my KTM for the next few tours that are coming up. Firstly, can't we just pause and admire the good looks and the quality of these bags. This is the 20-litre waterproof bag. I have 2 of those and all the racking that goes with it to fit on my KTM. Let's see if I can fit it on my own. Right. Bag number 1. Bag number 2. Tell you what, it's really well packed. 1. Here are the instructions, and for people like me who is never quite sure, they're really helpful and tell you which is the left and right side of the bike. Thank you, SW Motech, that's made my life much simpler. Okay, so I've worked out this piece goes on the bike, and then this plate, or this piece, goes on the back of the bag for a click on and off this mount. So it should be quite easy to take the panniers off and back on in the evening and in the morning when you're touring. Right, see what tools I need now. So the first hurdle is undoing this, which one works beautifully. And that one won't budge. Just my luck. There's the same on the other side, so I'm gonna have to ask them more for help. So as you can see, the right side has got much longer arms to fit over the exhaust. Line up 2 bolts here, 1 here, and that'll give me the plate to mount the panniers on. In the meantime, let's have a look at this. So, got the mounts connect together like it was on the back of the bag, which then just clicks on and off for a quick release onto the bike. Right, you can line them up to position them either up here or lower down, depending on where you want your panniers to sit. I'm going to start with the top one and see how it works. If I don't like it, I shall have to do it all over again and change it. So a couple of things. This is German make, German design, so it all makes sense. Put them in the right way up, and you've got 4 longer screws and 2 shorter ones. 2 shorter ones go to the top, the 4 other ones go in those holes here. Once you have them all in place and hand tighten them, just use the Allen key to finish them off. There we have our plate. Now we have to mount the bag to it. So, read instructions on how to do straps, and then secure it in place and see if it works. So, undo the D-rings at the top. There you go. Place the plate here, and right, it goes in here, out here, both on this side, out here, and secures with D-rings. Like that, and then you do the same with the sides on all 4 points. So that's plate sorted. That's the pannier. As you take it off the bike and into your hotel room. So the next thing is to mount the hooks here for the bags to clip on and off, of course, and then I'll put this on the bike. These are the bobbins now sorted for the bag to clip on and off. Obviously one's different, so pay attention which side goes where. I'm all done. Both panniers on, super easy to install, easy to take off. One click and put back on again. Just leave it on the side, line up with those 3 bobbins, and it's done. Secure, looks good, waterproof. Can't wait to try them. I'm super pleased with these panniers. They look good, they're easy to install, they're easy to take off and on, and they're waterproof, and I can't wait for the next adventure. I just got home from a very wet ride. It's not been this wet for a long time. I just want to show you the waterproof panniers from SW Motech, and well, check how waterproof they are. So I opened the top flap, nothing in there, no water. Have a look inside. And the reason I really like them is because they are wet, dirty. I don't really want to take them in a house. And the good thing about these is that inside the pannier is like a shopping bag. Looks like a shopping bag that you take out. Here we go. This goes in a house. This stays in a garage till it dries, or I give it a rinse, clean it up, and that is neat and tidy to take in the house without making a mess. Obviously I have to take my clothes off first, or this is just pointless.